The Ministry of Education, Government of India, has appointed 12 Vice-Chancellors of central universities across the country, including the North-Eastern Hill University, Shillong. The President of India, as visitor of the Nehu, appointed Professor PRABHA Shankar Shukla as the new Vice-Chancellor of the university to replace Professor S.K. SRIVASTAV'S, whose tenure had already expired. The 12 Vice-Chancellors appointed are as per the statutes and ordinances set forth in the Act of the University. As per Statute 2A1 of the Nehu Act 1973, the term of Professor Shukla's appointment is for 5 years from the date of his resumption of office or until he attains the age of 75 years, whichever is earlier. It may be mentioned that in the past few months, there had been resentment among the academic fraternity and students of Nehu towards the appointment of a new VC for the university after the expiry of the outgoing VC Professor S.K. Srivastav's term on the 23rd of September 2020. It may be informed that the newly appointed Vice-Chancellor of Nehu, Professor Shukla, had held various prestigious positions in reputed institutions in the country, including the Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, and other universities in Uttarakhand, Jabalpur, and Dehradun.
Yes, good evening, Professor. This is Between again from Media Plus Shillong.
Okay.
So, congratulations on your appointment as the new VC of Nehu.
Oh, thank you, madam. Thank you.
So, sir, just 2 or 3 questions we'd like to ask you. So, when is your official joining to the position, sir?
Maybe in the next week.
We know that you've been holding quite prestigious positions in institutes across the country, right?
Yeah.
So, on your new assignment, what would be your top priority, in settling matters of mismanagement in the University of Nehu, and also your contribution, to upgrade the university into the next level?
Actually, madam, I can say, you know about the Nanyang Technological University, Singapore? So, I would like to think in that direction.
For the past few years, there has been, a lot of mismanagement in the university. So what would be your top priority in settling the matter, sir?
Actually, sir, after joining first, I learned the university. What is already professor has been did in the university. And after that, I can say which type of priorities should be apply in the university.
What would be your, your vision of the university in the next 5 years? That means in the entire tenure of yours.
As per university should run as per new education policy.